Hi friends, welcome to my Mysore vlog. In this vlog, we shall be exploring the vibrant city life and getting up close with some incredible wildlife at Mysore Zoo. Get ready to experience the best of the both worlds. Let's dive in. We began our journey to Mysore from Bangalore by train, enjoying the scenic views along the way. We are in Mysore and we are excited to explore. First, we shall dive into the city's unique charm and culture, and then we shall head over the Mysore Zoo for an up-close encounter with some incredible animals. Get ready for a day full of adventure and discovery. Let's go! don't worry about staying hydrated at Mysore Zoo. Drinking facilities are available at every point throughout the zoo. We paused our exploration of the Mysore Zoo to capture some incredible images with our family and wife. The stunning scenery and incredible animals made for the perfect photo backdrop. Moments like these are priceless, and we are grateful for the opportunity to create memories with our loved ones. Let's continue our adventure. If you are feeling hungry during your visit to the Mysore Zoo, don't worry. There are points located conveniently within the zoo where you can grab a quick snack or refreshing drink. So take a break from exploring the animals and refuel for more adventure. Let's continue our exploration. The giraffes at the Mysore Zoo are truly one of the kind, with their towering height and distinctive spots. They are must-see attraction. Did you know that they only need a few hours of sleep a day and can run up to 35 miles per hour? These amazing animals are a true wonderful of nature. That's it for our adventure at the Mysore Zoo. But our exploration of Mysore is not over yet. Join us next time as we discover the enhancing beauty of Mysore Palace. Get ready to witness the stunning architecture and learn about the fascinating history of this iconic landmark. Thanks for joining us, and we shall see you soon for our next vlog.